Hello, hope you're all doing well. Come to you today to talk about a project that I've gotten involved with and that I really like, and one you should look at. It is called Fuzzle. And in this video, I'm actually going to take you into what a fuzzle is, but then I'm also going to take you into 5 ways to make your fuzzle more valuable, which I think is pretty cool. To talk about what a fuzzle is, so to give you an idea, it's an NFT project that actually has utility, and it's powered by AI technology. So, you've seen like the Bored Apes and stuff like that. Well, those are just JPEGs that people made into a collectible NFT. These you actually engage with. The project is built on Gala chain. Some of the NFTs within it have been on Ethereum, but I believe the whole project will eventually be Gala chain. There is an Android and Apple app that is in development and should be released in the next few weeks. Has a super strong dedicated community and a very experienced team that has been involved with Disney and other projects. So what can Fuzzle do? So Fuzzle is actually engaging, so it learns from you as you teach it or talk to it. So you can actually have conversations and voice recognition. You can play with your Fuzzle, so there's a play to earn element to it where you can level them up and grow over time. And the earn part of it, so team up with your Fuzzle and awesome community contests. And so the more you engage, the more you actually earn. So let's talk a little bit about the Fuzzle details. So there's been minting. The first minting, I believe, had 1,300 roughly, and the next one about 700. So only about 2,000 Fuzzle pods have been minted. Those mintings were at 0.5 Ethereum each. And my understanding is if there are more mintings, it will be more expensive than that. Currently, they can be purchased on OpenSea, but I'll get you into more details on that. So Fuzzle details. The reveal is actually, if you're watching this as soon as I launch it, it's tomorrow, May 26th at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You do still have time to get a Fuzzle pod so that you can open it in the reveal. There will be different rarities, different traits and characteristics. I put a link right there, and I'll put it in the description as well. And I'll put the long version of the OpenSea URL. That's just a shortened URL so that you can go. It's using the Twitter shortener. So 5 ways to make your Fuzzle more valuable. This is something that people probably really don't think about. I mean, you can't take an average NFT and make it more valuable, but you can with a Fuzzle because it learns through AI. And I've come up with my 5 ways that I think you can make your Fuzzle more valuable.
5.
The first being buying NFT accessories. So here's the Fuzzle pod on OpenSea, and as you can see, it's currently at the floor 0.59. There are a few on here. If you're interested, you can see, so that currently is $1,154. And there's the OpenSea URL. But there are also accessories that you can buy with this. There's only been 2 released so far, one being the Close Encounters card and the other being the Medal of Honor. The Medal of Honor signifies the first 1,300 Fuzzles that were created and adds some voting rights plus royalties. They haven't explained exactly what the royalties will be, but my understanding is it will probably be in terms of additional NFTs. More details to come on that. And actually, I can show you the Fuzzle medal. Here is the real one. I'll put that URL in the description as well. So the floor on that is 0.037 or $727. You can see that it's actually gone up the last couple days because people are starting to get them before the reveal. There was one for 0.6. So just, wow. So one sold for points. There may have been 2 for 0.6, I bet. Yeah, it was. Okay, so 0.3 each is what a couple sold for. So roughly $600, I think, somewhere around there each. The other one that is available is the Close Encounters Club Card Diamond Edition. So there will be additional cards. This one is the Diamond. Currently 0.124 Ethereum. And I believe holding these different accessories is going to add more value to your Fuzzle. If someone's going to be interested in having all of them. And these were both drops. So if you bought a Fuzzle for 0.5 ETH in the beginning, you would actually not only have increased the value of your Fuzzle, but you would have got roughly $1,000 extra worth of NFTs by buying already. And there will be more drops as well. So that would be the first way to make your Fuzzle more valuable. So let's go to number 4. So leveling up and earning. So holding those cards is going to allow you to increase the amount of rewards that you're going to earn. The more that you engage with your Fuzzle and level him up, you're going to earn more with it. So that is a pretty simple but yet way of making your Fuzzle more valuable.
3.
So number 3 is building a streaming channel. So imagine that you have a YouTube or a Twitch account to where you have trained your Fuzzle and he's actually the host and can engage with people. People can ask him questions and do things and he'll respond back. And I think that's a good way that is unique of making your Fuzzle make you money on the side. So these next 2 are something that I will be working on.
2.
Number 2 is create article content. So I'm in the SEO world and I have to create a lot of content for clients and their blogs and everything else. So teaching my Fuzzle about different characteristics. For example, I have a client that is in the HVAC business. And if I can teach him by putting him, putting videos and things in front of him that teach him about HVAC repair, things like that. And I can turn around and say, Fuzzle, how do you replace air filters in an air conditioner or in an HVAC unit or in a furnace? And Fuzzle can actually go through and talk and tell me how to do that. And then I can take that content and turn it into text. And then I've got an article created. So that's going to be very beneficial for me down the line and make him extremely valuable for me.
1.
And the last one is I want to teach Fuzzle how to trade crypto. So this probably isn't something that's going to be done right away because Fuzzle is only going to engage with voice content. But in the future, he will be able to look at videos, images, text content, and be able to learn from that. So I'd like to teach him to understand TA charts and learn how to trade and provide signals for me when crypto should be bought and sold. That's just one thing I'm looking at. So I hope you enjoyed this. Please make sure and like, comment. Let me know if there's ways that you think Fuzzle can be more valuable, things you can teach him. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thanks.